Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about the indicators. If I am using this indicator HIN, remember one thing, this H represent, this is an acidic indicator. This indicator has a capacity to donate proton and it is ionized into H positive and ion negative. When this indicator is ionized into H positive and ion negative, after ionization it will be left like H ion negative. It will be the conjugate base of this acid. And if I will determine the constant Kin, that will equals to the concentration of H positive above, An negative above and HIN below. Okay, remember one thing, the concentration or equilibrium dissociation constant or Kin value will be equals to 2.0 10 to raise minus 4 mole per decimeter cube at 298 kelvins, means 25 degrees Celsius. Got the point? Now here will be, which will be acid base pair. Is this included in any acid base pair? No. So conjugate acid base pair, this is an acid. After losing proton, it is converted into ion negative. So this will be its conjugate base. So what will be acid and base pair? HIN interconverted into ion negative. So here remember one thing, when this indicator is present in the form of acid, its color is red. And when it removes hydrogen from it, its color becomes yellow, that will be in the form of ion negative. Means here it is yellow and here it is red. So when the indicators is yellow and in ionized form it becomes red, it is red and in ionized form it becomes yellow. And if I say that I increases the amount of hydrogen, H positive ion concentration will be increases in the products. I will write here, when the concentration of H positive ion increases in product, what will happen? The amount of H positive ion increases in the product. These H positive ions, these protons will react with ion negative and they will undergo the formation of acidic indicator. So the reaction will move to the reverse direction. When the products increases, remember one thing, when the products increases, the reaction will move to the reverse direction. Means at this stage, when the concentration of ion or H positive, means any product concentration increases, ion increases or H positive increases, the reaction will move to the reverse direction. And here we will say that the color will be predominates which color? Red. This is the case number 1. When the concentration of products increases. And if I say that when the concentration of case 2, when the concentration of H HIN increases. This is reactant. The reaction, the HIN undergo ionization more and more if they are in large amount. Then the reaction will move to the forward direction. And which color predominate? Yellow color. These are the two cases. First is when the concentration of ion or product increases, and the second is that when the concentration of reactant increases. So for this step, we will write 3 more cases to understand the steps. So for case number 1, case number 2, and case number 3. First case, you have to focus on the conjugate acid base pair. First is the concentration of HIN will be equals to the concentration of IN. Second is HIN concentration is greater than IN, means it is 10 times greater than the ion concentration, ion negative. And the third case is ion concentration will be 10 times greater than H ion concentration. First case, they both are equal. In the second case, HIN is greater in concentration than ion negative. And the third is, as I have told you, what is HIN? It is a reactant. When the reactant concentration increases, the reaction will move to the forward direction and yellow color predominate. And we will discuss here in detail. KIN of the above reaction will be equals to H positive, IN negative, and HIN. As I have told you, KIN for this equation is 2 into 10 to the raised minus 4. H positive. These both are equal in concentration. HIN and IN are equal in concentration. They cancel out the effects. And KIN will be equals to H positive. And concentration of H positive will be equals to 2 into 10 to the raised minus 4. And if you take the negative log of 2 into 10 to the raised minus 4, the answer will be 3.70 pH. This is the first case. Here there will be no anything greater. Both the concentration of HIN and IN is equal. Now HIN is large in concentration than KIN. This is the second case. Will be equals to H positive, IN negative divided by HIN. Here will be H positive, IN negative. Instead of HIN, I will write 10 IN negative because it is equals to the 10 to the concentration of ion negative. KIN, we will get KIN H positive divided by 10. 2 into 10 to the raised minus 4 multiplied by 10. We will get H positive. And here will be the concentration, that will be equals to 2 into 10 to the raised minus 3 H positive. If you take the negative log, you will get the answer. That will be 4.70 pH. If the concentration of HIN greater, then the reaction will move to the yellow forward direction and yellow color predominate. And the third case will be, okay, the pH is 10 to the raised minus 3, H will be 2.70. Okay, And when the concentration and the yellow, it will be the red color because H ion concentration is higher. Red color will be predominant. Okay. Now in this case, the concentration of iron is greater. So when the iron concentration is greater, yellow color is predominating. So here will be H positive, iron negative, H ion. Instead of iron negative, you will write here H positive, 10 into H ion. Here will be H ion. Okay. So it will be 2 into 10 to the raise minus 4 divided by 10 H positive, and it will be equals to the pH will be equals to, it will be equals to 10 to raise 2 into 10 to raise minus 5, and it will be pH will be equals to 2.7 4.70, and the yellow color will be predominant. So the pH change will take place for this indicator from 2.70 to 4.70, in which the red color is converting into the yellow color in the product. So these are the three cases. First will be their concentrations will be equal. In the second case, the concentration of H ion greater, and in third case, the H ion concentration is 10 times greater. Here the ion concentration is 10 times greater. So these are the three cases in which we have written the pH, the indicator. For any question and query, contact me and write in the comment. If you have any confusion, take care. Allah Hafiz.